So let me get this straight. The next big sports betting legend isn't some guy in Vegas with a lucky streak. It's code?
Yep. Algorithms are the new high rollers. They don't sleep, they don't sweat, and they never forget a stat.
That's terrifying and brilliant. What makes them so effective, though? I mean, we've had data in sports forever.
True, but this isn't just about spreadsheets anymore. Machine learning is devouring everything: player stats, weather, injuries, even social media buzz, and spotting patterns no human can.
You're telling me some neural network might know the outcome of a game better than a coach?
In some cases, yes. Predictive models can simulate thousands of game scenarios in seconds. They even adjust on the fly, like if a key player twists an ankle mid-game.
That's wild. And scary. So how are the sports books reacting?
They're sweating and fighting fire with fire. Bookmakers are rolling out their own AI tools to adjust odds in real time and sniff out betting bots.
A proper arms race. Any startups leading the charge?
Tons. Epoxy.ai, for example, personalizes your whole betting experience, like Netflix for gambling. Then there's FanDuel with play-by-play micro betting, driven by live AI updates.
Micro betting. That's when you can bet on the next play, right?
Exactly. And it's addictive. Every snap, every pitch, AI recalculates odds instantly, keeps people glued to the app.
Sounds like it's engineered to keep bettors in the game. Almost too good.
And that's where the ethical questions come in. AI can tailor bets to your habits, but that also means it knows exactly how to keep you coming back.
Like a digital bookie who knows your every weakness. Kind of dystopian.
Yeah, but it's not all dark. Some platforms like BetBuddy use AI to promote responsible gambling and flag risky behavior early.
So AI can actually make betting safer too. I didn't expect that.
It's a double-edged sword. The same tools that increase profits can also reduce fraud and support at-risk users.
Okay, but what about the gut-feeling gamblers? Are they done for?
Not necessarily. There's still room for intuition, especially in unpredictable sports. But if you're ignoring data in 2025, you're betting blind.
Fair. And let's be honest, most people don't have time to analyze 10 years of stats before a game.
Exactly. That's where services like Lean's AI come in, doing the math for you and offering picks with real ROI.
What kind of ROI are we talking about?
They claim 9.66% over 2 years. That's massive in a game where most people lose.
That's better than the stock market some years. No wonder it's blowing up online.
Social media is full of AI betting bots pulling in crazy profits. People post screenshots, code, even tutorials on Reddit.
But doesn't that raise red flags for regulators?
Absolutely. There's growing pressure to regulate AI betting, especially with black box models making high-stakes predictions.
So it's not just about beating the bookies anymore. It's about rewriting the rules.
And both sides know it. Bettors have smarter tools, bookies have smarter defenses. It's a cat and mouse game on steroids.
You know what this feels like? Wall Street, but for sports fans.
Nailed it. High-frequency trading meets fantasy football, and the house doesn't always win anymore.
Bold claim. So, do you trust your gut or your algorithm?
Depends who's been winning lately. But either way, one thing's clear. The future of betting is built on code.
And that future, it's already here.
Output initialization above.